Hey everybody, it's Kelly with Goals, and today we're going to go over attitude. Your attitude can make you or break you. We've all met people and know people, and unfortunately are probably related to some people that have a really bad attitude. And some of us will even go out of the way. Walk across the street, not answer their texts, or certainly not even answer their calls when somebody is always yammering on about negativity, nastiness, and doom and gloom. So, have you ever thought about how your outlook, your attitude about life can affect you? Well, if you're a joy to be around, you're happy, people like you and they want to be around you. And because you're likable and fun and enjoyable, you're going to get more chances in life, more opportunities for friends, dates, jobs, promotions. And not just the opportunities that other people bring to you. It'll be the ones that you'll be able to see for yourself. Because you don't let the haters, the naysayers, and certainly you don't let the difficulties stop you. If you have a good attitude, you're going to look for the silver lining in every cloud instead of complaining about somebody raining on your parade. And someone that has a good attitude and a great outlook on life, they take responsibility for themselves and their actions. Because if you've got a bad attitude, you'll never truly achieve anything, let alone greatness, if you're always doom and gloom and pouting and complaining about everything and everyone, including the past. Now, regardless of where you come from, how you are raised, your economic background, your education level, and any other kind of BS excuse you can come up with, it doesn't matter. You can choose to have a good attitude and a good outlook on your life. And when you have a good outlook on life, it's going to make your goals and your achievements a whole lot easier to accomplish because you're not constantly complaining and down in the mouth and thinking that nothing is ever going to come right for you. If you're happy and don't let small things bother you, which most things are small, you'll just push right through. You'll be able to get through the rainy days, the flat tires, the hole in your roof, the hole in your shoe, the crap that happens called life. You'll move on because you do have a good outlook on life. So direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Start looking for the good things in your life. Start looking on the bright side of things. And someone that had a great attitude that comes to mind is a man named Bill Porter. He was a beloved door-to-door salesman from Portland, Oregon. And Bill wasn't your typical door-to-door salesman because, you see, even though Bill walked his 5 to 10 mile route 5 days a week, he had been born with cerebral palsy because of an infection at birth. The cerebral palsy caused Bill to speak with a speech impediment. Half of his body didn't function very well, and walking wasn't exactly the easiest thing for him to do. So, being a door to door salesman doesn't seem like the easiest job, but Bill made it work. After he graduated from high school, Bill was told by the state that he should just take disability, but he refused. And after being encouraged by his mother, who was his constant champion at his side, he applied at numerous companies for a job as a salesman. He was turned down by the Fuller Brush Company and even was turned down by the Watkins Company, at which he went back a second time and asked, "Please, I'll take the worst route and the worst area." At this, the Watkins Company took him up on his offer. Bill went door to door every day with a great attitude, talking to many people and rarely taking no for an answer, all the while thinking of the advice that his mother often gave him: you can do anything and have a good attitude. Bill became one of the best salesmen in the Watkins Company. You see, nothing stopped Bill. He could have had a bad attitude, but he didn't. He always persevered and pushed forward through rain, through the cold weather, through the hills of Portland, no matter what. He just kept on chugging along. So much has been written and said about this man, and there was even a movie made starring William H. Macy as Bill Porter, which is one of the best films I've ever seen. It will truly touch your heart. So having that good attitude and just knowing that everything is going to work out just sets you in a better frame of mind. I mean, you're going to be healthier because of it. 87% of people with a good mental attitude are healthier and make healthier choices. So, are you poisoning your well every day with crappy nastiness? Or are you training your brain with a good mental attitude the way a champion athlete would? The choice is yours. And here are my 4 tips to start today to have a better mental attitude. Number 1, pull your head out of your butt. Number 2, stop complaining about everything. Number 3, take and accept responsibility for your life and your actions. And number 4, most importantly, start looking for the good things in life because there are so many. So the choice is up to you. And whether you make huge goals or not, why not live a happier life? Why isn't that your goal? And if you have children, this is especially important. Have a better attitude and be good to them. I hope this has helped you. This is something I feel so near and dear about. Have a good attitude. We're going to have more videos about achieving your goals, and I'll see you next time.